Ever dreamt of sipping cocktails on a pristine beach in Bali? Or perhaps wandering through the Louvre, captivated by masterpieces? Many believe luxury travel is only for the wealthy. Think again. You can experience the world's finest offerings without emptying your bank account. It's all about smart planning, savvy choices, and a touch of adventurous spirit. This guide is your passport to affordable luxury travel. We'll uncover hidden gems and insider secrets to unlock incredible experiences on a budget. Get ready to swap expensive hotels for charming boutique stays. Discover how to navigate flights like a pro and dine like royalty without the exorbitant prices. Join us as we unlock the secrets to experiencing the world's most luxurious destinations without breaking the bank. Get ready to travel smarter, spend less, and experience more. Your dream vacation awaits. Luxury travel is not about spending a fortune. It's about making unforgettable memories. It's about immersing yourself in new cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and unique experiences. With a little planning, these experiences are within everyone's reach. Firstly, define luxury for yourself. Is it a stunning view, a Michelin star meal, or perhaps a private tour of a historical site? Once you know what matters most, you can prioritize and allocate your budget accordingly. Remember, flexibility is key. Traveling during the shoulder seasons, spring and fall, can often mean fewer crowds and significantly lower prices on flights and accommodation. Embrace spontaneity. Sometimes the best experiences are the unplanned ones. Be open to last-minute deals and alternative destinations that might offer similar experiences at a fraction of the cost. Luxury accommodation doesn't always mean five-star hotels. Consider these alternatives for a comfortable and stylish stay without the hefty price tag. Boutique hotels. These smaller, independently owned hotels often offer unique charm and personalized service at a fraction of the cost of larger chains. Home rentals. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO offer a wide range of apartments, houses, and villas for rent, often with kitchens and laundry facilities, allowing you to save on meals and other expenses. Local guest houses. For a more authentic experience, consider staying in locally owned guest houses. They offer a glimpse into the local culture and often come with the added bonus of homemade breakfasts and insider tips from the hosts. Hostels. Don't rule out hostels. Many now offer private rooms with ensuite bathrooms, providing comfort and privacy at budget-friendly prices. Plus, they offer a great opportunity to connect with fellow travelers. Flights can eat into your budget, but with these strategies, you can find great deals and soar to your dream destination without overspending. Be flexible with travel dates. Flying midweek or during the off-season can save you a significant amount on airfare. Embrace budget. Airlines. Low-cost carriers often offer incredibly cheap fares, especially for short-haul flights. Be mindful of baggage restrictions and additional fees for seat selection and in-flight amenities. Utilize flight search engines and aggregators. Websites like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Momondo compare prices from multiple airlines, helping you snag the best deals. Sign up for airline newsletters and fare alerts. Be the first to know about special promotions and flash sales by subscribing to airline newsletters and setting up fare alerts for your desired routes. Experiencing a destination's culinary scene is an integral part of luxury travel, and it doesn't have to break the bank. Here's how to dine like a king on a pauper's budget. Lunchtime luxury. Fine dining restaurants often offer more affordable set menus during lunchtime, allowing you to experience their culinary creations without the dinner time price tag. Seek out local eateries. Venture beyond the tourist traps and discover hidden culinary gems favored by locals. These often offer authentic flavors and dishes at a fraction of the cost. Embrace street food. Many destinations boast incredible street food scenes. It's a budget-friendly way to sample a variety of flavors and experience the local culture firsthand. Cook like a local. If your accommodation has a kitchen, consider visiting local markets for fresh ingredients and preparing your own meals. It's a fun and affordable way to immerse yourself in the local culture and save money. Luxury travel is about more than just expensive hotels and Michelin star meals. It's about creating lasting memories through unique and enriching experiences. Free activities. Explore local markets, wander through charming neighborhoods, visit free museums and art galleries, or simply soak up the atmosphere in a local park. Embrace nature. Hiking, swimming, or simply relaxing in nature is often free and incredibly rewarding. Seek out scenic trails, hidden beaches, or peaceful parks for a dose of natural luxury. Cultural immersion. Attend local festivals, concerts, or performances for a taste of the local culture. Check out community calendars and websites for free or low-cost events. Learn a new skill. Take a cooking class, learn a traditional craft, or try a new sport. These experiences offer a unique glimpse into the local culture and provide you with lasting memories and perhaps even a new hobby. Traveling during the shoulder seasons, which are spring and fall, can be a game changer for budget-conscious travelers seeking a luxurious experience. Here's why. Fewer crowds mean you can enjoy popular attractions, museums, and historical sites without battling hordes of tourists. This means shorter lines, a more tranquil atmosphere, and ample opportunities for that perfect photo op. Pleasant weather during these seasons often offers the best of both worlds. Pleasant weather without the scorching heat of summer or the chilly temperatures of winter. Lower prices are also a significant benefit as accommodation, flights, and even some tours and activities often come with discounted prices, allowing you to stretch your budget further. Lastly, unique experiences are abundant. Witness destinations in a different light, with blooming flowers in spring or vibrant autumn foliage, offering a unique perspective and photographic opportunities. Luxury travel deals are out there for those who know where to look. Become a master deal hunter with these tips. Embrace travel deal websites and apps like Scott's Cheap Flights, The Flight Deal, and Secret Flying, which specialize in finding and sharing error fares, flash sales, and deeply discounted travel deals. Utilize cashback and rewards programs, as credit cards with travel rewards programs can earn you points, miles, or cashback on your travel expenses, which can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and other travel perks. Consider package deals, as booking flights and accommodation together as a package can often lead to significant savings compared to booking each separately. Lastly, travel during the week, as midweek travel often comes with lower prices on flights and accommodation, since demand tends to be lower. Let's bring these strategies to life with a few example itineraries, showcasing how to experience luxury travel on a budget. Southeast Asia on a shoestring allows you to explore the vibrant cities, stunning temples, and pristine beaches of Southeast Asia without breaking the bank. Stay in budget-friendly guest houses, indulge in delicious street food, and take advantage of affordable transportation options like local buses and trains. European adventure on a budget lets you discover the charm of Europe without emptying your wallet. Explore cities like Prague, Budapest, and Lisbon, known for their affordability and rich culture. Stay in hostels or budget-friendly hotels, take advantage of free walking tours, and enjoy picnics in picturesque parks. South American Escapade for Less lets you experience the diverse landscapes and vibrant culture of South America without spending a fortune. Explore the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, hike the Inca Trail, and soak up the energy of cities like Medellin and Buenos Aires, all while staying in budget-friendly accommodation and enjoying local cuisine. Luxury travel is not an exclusive club reserved for the wealthy. By adopting a few savvy strategies and embracing a spirit of adventure, anyone can experience the world's most incredible destinations without breaking the bank. Remember, luxury is subjective. It's about crafting experiences that align with your passions and interests. By prioritizing your spending, seeking out deals, and embracing alternative accommodation options, you can unlock a world of affordable luxury travel. So pack your bags, embrace your wanderlust, and embark on unforgettable journeys without the financial burden. The world is your oyster, and it's waiting to be explored.